Hey, what's up, guys? So today we're gonna go to Lando's crib, the guy with the F-150, and then we're gonna install this lip that I got from JTcarbon. And then also we're gonna start on blacking out the chrome. I got the DRL trim. I got these already black. These came from Australia, or I ordered them. They came from Australia. And then I also got these from Holden Parts USA. These, so those I'm not even gonna wrap, but the grill, the window trim, and the door handles, those I am gonna wrap, but that'll probably be another day. Today I'm just trying to get that lip on and put this crap on it, and then see how it looks. We'll see what goes on. I'll show you the lip in a little bit. I don't know how I'm gonna get this lip in there, but y'all should have seen how I had to take the package home when I first received it. I'll just slide this up in here. Oh, okay. Well, at least y'all should have seen the box, man. This guy. Work truck. You're a tryhard, bro. No tailgate. Dang, who wrapped your roof though? Alright, so this is what the lip looks like from JTcarbon. This thing's stupid light. But we're gonna go ahead and start taking off all the bolts and all that, take the bumper off, and then we'll start drilling in a little bit. All right, so we got the bumper off, but we're trying to take off this connector. It just won't come out at all. So while he's doing that, I'm gonna switch these out real quick to the black ones because the chrome's ugly. So we're gonna do that real quick. All right, there we go. Got the black one on. We're gonna do the other side real quick. And then we're gonna start installing or drilling the holes in the bumper and putting the lip on. And then I'm gonna put these on too in a little bit. All right, so we got both the black vents on. We're gonna start on the bumper over here. Man, this car does not have that many miles on it, but the owner, it's been one owner. The owner before me just did not give a damn, bro. Look at this. Bro didn't care how he parked. Thank God I got that lip though, so hopefully it'll cover up all the scratch marks, man. He did not care how this thing came out when he was parking it. But that's what we got the lip for, so we're gonna get started on it real quick. Alright, getting it mocked up real quick. Alright, man, we're finna start drilling the holes and total my car. Well, at least the lip covered up the scratches. Oh yeah, this thing's gonna come out clean. All right, man, so the lip is finally on the car. Dude, this thing is gonna look sick, man. Right now, I'm gonna take out the DRL things, put the black ones on, and then we're gonna put the bumper back on and see how it looks when it's all mounted up, man. Finna delete all the chrome from this car, man. It's gonna look really clean. All right, sorry for the noise, but these are a hassle to take off, man. We had to take off this whole piece. It was just easier, and then from there I got my hands in on it and did this. So I'm gonna switch this one out, and then we're gonna put it back on the bumper and see how it looks. All right, man, we got the DRL trim on now. Now it's just time to put the bumper back on. All right, man, after putting on the bumper twice and still putting it on wrong, I finally got it on the third try, and this is how it looks. I still need to go wash it, and then we'll get a better look at it, but so far this thing looks so clean. So I'm gonna go take it to the car wash, and then we'll see how it looks after when it's all cleaned up. All right, let me show you how it looks real quick. V1 splitter from JTcarbon. It looks pretty good. All right, so overall, the lip was pretty easy to install, especially with the help of Orlando. It went by pretty quick. It's just the only thing that took forever was those daytime running lights, and I kept accidentally putting on the bumper wrong. It took me 3 times to put that thing on right. But other than that, it went by really smooth, and it came out really sick. And all that's left to do is just wrap the front grille pieces, the window trim, and the door handles. And the only thing that's gonna be chrome on the car is gonna be the wheels and then like the back to like edging of the emblems. That's about it. And then after that, it's time to start modifying the car and see what we can do with it performance wise. And yeah, we'll see what the next video is about. Hopefully Commodore Specialties drops a spoiler. That way I can get the spoiler and put that on. And then I don't know what's next. We'll see what's next. I might do another roof, or I might buy some wheels. I don't know yet. But appreciate it for watching. If you watched it, thank you.